Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to find your Bybit wallet address. Alright, let's begin with the video. First, open the Bybit application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the deposit button at the top of the screen and then select Deposit Crypto from the menu that appears. Now, select the preferred cryptocurrency you would like to deposit into your account. In this case, I will be selecting Bitcoin. Once you have made your selection, you will be prompted to choose a network. Simply select one, and then your wallet address will be displayed on the screen. This wallet address is unique to your Bybit account and is where you will need to send any cryptocurrency deposits from an external wallet. Make sure to copy this address carefully, as any mistakes could lead to a loss of funds. So that's basically how you can find your Bybit wallet address. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.